This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
To any possibility. Valley 519 to 525. While supplies last, selection varies by location, excludes Alaska and Hawaii.
Here's the latest from the KFI 24-hour newsroom.
LA County has been downgraded from the low COVID-19 community level to medium because of rising infection. The man accused of rushing comedian Dave Chappelle at the Hollywood Bowl has pleaded not guilty to a charge of attempted murder for a stabbing in December.
Oh my God, what is this person doing? They got themselves caught on curb. No! No! Oof, what are you doing? And they're not gonna drive. Come on, dude. It's over. Oh, I see what the problem is. Come on, man!
Try saying a device name like phone or USB. You can also say climate, main menu, say a command.
That's a point in time in the video right now that is important as far as YouTube is concerned for retention and not skipping forward and all this stuff.
Some are proud of their heritage, like the Manchego I tried who said, "I." It wasn't clear why the man spoke English with an accent instead of just in Spanish, but not everything has to be clear.
Your alarm is set for 5:30 p.m.
Wait, this house mine. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Holy! I can stay. I'm gonna give them my.
No, hold on.
Have it on dash cam. Get pregnant too. Oh my God.
definitely put at risk older Americans' retirement accounts, all to
Oh! Oh!
Take the next left onto Northeast Tillamook Street.
Mike, anything that they can do at this point, again, not only to calm fears, but also to maybe actually have a cure. We said this, though. If they have any success with this, it probably will get passed.
Right. It's funny. Both of us have friends in the medical business that were talking about the protocols. Maybe that word's come up a lot today. But the idea that, we'll move it along.
The Dallas School Board has decided on the district's new leader, voting to approve a lone finalist to become the new superintendent.
The Austin ISD superintendent is the lone finalist for the job.
We have now adopted the motion to name Dr. Stephanie Elizalde the finalist for the position of